Just a second. Letter B. You see her? She's right there by your elbow. Sure that's her. Is that letter B?
Yes.
Don't pet her.
Oh, sorry.
Okay? She is on a path. We have a lovely relationship.
In this episode, we're back on the road again, but not before visiting Tahoe one last time.
Katie's mom came to visit, so Carter and I took her to kayak the majestic lake. All right, you ready, Carter?
Yeah.
All right, we're all packing up, pulling the slides in, getting the inside cleaned up. Katie, you ready?
I am ready. I don't have to go back to work today. I'm excited. Ready for life on the road for a while.
Yep. This shows Katie's last night of work. And we are getting back on the road.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and no more. You can fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do?
All right, we're all hooked up. Slides are in. We're hooked up. I'm just gonna bring the jacks up just a tad bit, so it's about like that off the ground. I'm gonna do a little tug test.
What's the purpose of a tug test?
So you do a tug test. You hit the brakes. So you're nice and hooked up, and if it drops on the jacks and at the bed of your truck. Here we go. We're all hooked up, ready for takeoff.
Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would have grown off the beaten track to become a better man.
Testing, 1, 2.
All right, you ready? Good. Flashers on. Good. Okay, they both look great.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done.
Just left discount tire a little bit ago. We got 4 brand new tires, Goodyear Endurances, charged me $1,000, but it came with a warranty, so anything that happens to them, they can be replaced, no questions asked, so that's good.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
Always use a pressure regulator and a filter.
97 degrees. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn on that AC. Sometimes things fall.
Our curtain broke.
I didn't break.
It was already broken.
Can you pull the couch so I can get this out, please?
Things
Yeah.
just seem to happen sometimes.
It's the vibration of the camper.
So we got the slides out, got it all hooked up. This is our spot tonight. Nice Jeep next door.
No! No!
You ready to get back on the road, son?
Yep.
Yeah, it's the next morning. One night at this park wasn't too bad. So we left it hooked up last night. So all we should have to do is
Just raise these,
Yep.
take off those, and should be good.
raise the jacks and roll off those real quick and be ready to roll out. And we woke up this morning, it's kind of smoky. Came out here and there was ash on my truck.
Yeah, Dad had all this ash on his.
Yeah, you can see. Smoky out here today.
We're up early this morning getting ready to hit the road. Yesterday we left Carson City, swung by Discount Tire, got some new tires for the rig. It's been about 2 years, about time to get it done again. And we made it to Elko, Nevada, to the Iron Horse RV Resort. Really pretty cool RV resort for the night. Definitely smoky this morning, but it's nice and cool. And we're hoping to make it up to McCammon, Idaho today, where we're gonna stay on a bison ranch tonight. Let's hit the road.
Okay, we've been driving for a couple hours and we finally got to the Utah border.
Utah, here we come. So we are here at our first Harvest Host at Diamond P Grassroots Bison Ranch in McCammon, Idaho. Getting ready to go feed some bison.
I already gave you a treat. I already gave you one.
Come, Jay.
Come outside. Jed's sad because he had to stay home during the bison ride.
You couldn't go.
We would definitely recommend this place. Like I said, it's our first Harvest Host experience, but so far it's been great. We started out just parking our rig. We're kind of like in the front of the ranch. That we have a nice level space. And then she brought us in here to the teepee.
It was a nice little education for
Yeah,
all of
she,
us. Yeah. Learned the difference between bison and buffalo.
yeah, and how bison is not a buffalo, so definitely some good education there. And talked about how the local Indians ran them off the cliffs in order to hunt and get meat for the tribe. So very cool. And then we got to hop on the wagon out here and just came right up to us and we got to feed them. definitely a super cool experience. She has a little shop in there, and what did we get from the shop?
Got some sirloin steak.
Yeah, some bison.
Some bison.
Sirloin steak.
I've never had bison before. So.
Yeah, and they said it's super healthy for you, a lot healthier than beef. So we'll let you know how it tastes. And like I said, we would definitely recommend this place.
We're leaving Idaho and we're headed to Jackson, Wyoming.